Feel the vibe.
Babe, what happened now?
Why do you kiss that girl?
Which girl?
I saw it now on your last video. You kissed
Jesus!
her with all your heart, said.
It's not real now. Oh, come.
Hey! I hear me.
Your last video. Well, that's the reason why you hold him.
Yes, now.
That is acting now. That is his career now.
Career.
Career. That's the
Which
career.
one
Don't
career?
Yeah, that is his career.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done with you.
Hey. That means no more. I want to do my hair.
It's very good now. That means no more my cream. My cream, my shower cream. All this my hairstyle and all this. My hair is good. We regret. No, we don't regret.
Me got so much love for my hood, oh, yeah.